Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video I want to talk about 3 cool ways to capture video on your computer. The first is a piece of software called OBS Studio. This software is primarily intended for streaming, but can also work really well for capturing footage that you intend to release later. With this software, you can capture from your webcam, your microphone, your screen, and any number of other sources, and the best part is it's totally free. That being said, this awesome piece of software does come with a steep learning curve. If you want something you can jump in with right away that doesn't require as much technical knowledge, you might have better luck with Loom. Loom is a hybrid web and desktop platform that does a great job capturing content from your webcam, microphone, and screen. It also includes a really easy-to-use editing tool so that you can cut out some of the ums and ahs in the middle of your presentation. On top of that, Loom includes a great web interface that hosts your videos. Loom also tracks when your videos are watched, so that when you send a video to someone, you can be sure whether or not they've actually viewed it. Perhaps the biggest downside to Loom is that it does come with a monthly subscription cost that will put it out of reach for some businesses. If you find yourself in that position and you're still looking for a recording solution, I have one more tool for you that might surprise you. We talked to a lot of creative business owners that have started capturing video content through Zoom. With Zoom, you can capture your screen, webcam, and microphone and record that content to your computer. What's great is that this is software that you're probably already familiar with and using on a regular basis, and you don't even need anyone else in the call to utilize Zoom's recording capabilities. Now, Zoom won't capture the quality of the other solutions I recommended and doesn't come with any slick editing tools. But it's probably not going to cost you any extra to start using Zoom in this way, and it really shouldn't come with any learning curve at all if you're already using the platform on a regular basis. With tools like these available, capturing what you have to say in a format that can easily be shared online is more achievable than ever. With that said, if you're looking for a more professional and refined video, nothing beats the traditional approach, and that's definitely something we can help you with. If you're interested in using video to share your messaging, I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.